Locked out of your Revolut Junior card? Don't worry. Getting it unfrozen is easier than you think. First, let's figure out why your card might be frozen. It could be a security measure triggered by too many incorrect PIN entries, suspected unusual activity, or simply because you temporarily froze it yourself for safekeeping. Now, grab your parent or guardian's phone, as they'll need to access their Revolut account to unfreeze your card. Your parent needs to open their Revolut app and navigate to the Junior section. They should see your Junior account listed there. Tap on your Junior account and then find the card section. This will show the status of your Revolut Junior card. If your card is indeed frozen, you'll see a clear indication of this, likely with a freeze or unfreeze button. Simply tap the unfreeze button. The app may then ask for confirmation, possibly through facial recognition, fingerprint, or your parent's Revolut passcode. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify the action. Once confirmed, your Revolut Junior card should be immediately unfrozen and ready to use. To avoid future freezes, be careful when entering your PIN. Let your parent know if you're planning any unusual purchases. And remember, if you lose the card, freeze it instantly through the app.